Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you all are doing very well. So today I gonna discuss my teaching methodology. Actually, I'm online tutor and I teach different subjects from different countries like UK, USA, Canada, UAE, and different countries. So here just I discuss how I teach. So all these are the things which I already taught my students, and these are the concept boards. Like in if we do in a physical class, that is called blackboard or whiteboard. But this is in online tutoring. This is what this is online, like online board. Yeah, so this is one of my student who already learn. I already teach this topic, and just I take a test, and she doing very great, and she is in grade 6th. And similarly, if you're going to discuss this board, so again she is from UK, and she work on 2D and shapes and how to find area and parameter. And similarly, there are so many boards. Just as a reference, I open few of them. So this board is loading here. So this is the board, and this is again a student from UK, and I follow UK curriculum, and she learned she already done this topic at school. So she need to further clear her concepts. So that's why just I check questions, and we work on these questions. And mostly I follow what we call UK curriculum if the students are from UK. And this is what how I teach. Actually, this is my Zoom, so students are joining me here. And if you want to do like video classes, then visual classes, so just I open this, and then we work on it here. So again I will show you like different stuffs where I work. So this is one of my student where I teach her again compound shapes. So this is again from UK. This is again a UK student. And this is yeah, this I already show you. And this is what this is just a new concept board. And here when student join, her cursor is also shown here. And then I change the color board, and then we work on it. So these are if you scroll down, and if you move down, so you will see different boards where we work. So after that I will show you just I convert this into PDF as well. So all these are the boards which I convert into PDF form, because sometimes students need, and then I send them this through